Welcome to Manjula Devi Murugesan Software Training Center. So in the video we are going to see about Tekla Structures. Okay. This is a Tekla Structures. Okay. Using this, okay, you can draw your steel columns, beams, okay, and plates. If you want, you can place your bolt, welding, everything. Okay. See. So this is, if you want, just double click, you can see the properties, you can change the heights, what's the height you want, everything. And okay, so this is our regular structure. This side what we are having is columns, concrete columns. Okay, both item you can draw in a single easy way. Okay, no any complicated structures you can easily create. Okay, see, we have drawn your structures, and grids are also 3D grids. Okay, if you want, you can edit your 3D grids, add more grids, okay, and modify grids. So this is our and if you want, you can edit. Okay, this is actually 2019 version, so it will look like this only. Okay, so from steel, this is column. For beams we are having so many types: beam, poly beam, curved beam, twin profile, orthogonal profile, and spiral. Okay, so the orthogonal beam in this and all we will see in the classes actually. Okay, and if you want to plate, you can create a plate, nearly 4 types. And the bolt, using bolt you can draw your bolts. On corner we are having bolt. So now I am going to just edit my grid and add a new grid. Okay, actually after this I need around at 5000 one grid. Just column will be G. See, now my grid is added here. Okay, so now if I want, I can create columns. Okay, once again on this side I want another grid also. Just I'll change this to 5. Okay, and G H I. Actually I don't have problem this one. Okay, so if I want to create columns, I can create columns. Okay, like this. Just it will ask for expansion. Okay, then this here also. Just I want to change my height, I can change my height. Okay, what's the height, everything. Okay, just select this. Here it's actually from -500, that is below. Just I don't want this minus below 500. Just I'll go for 0. Now if I place my columns, it will take the same profile. What you have done, everything it will be same. Okay, you can change the rotation, front, everything. That will be explained in the class. Okay, so now I want to I want beam, so I can draw a beam. Okay, then I want plate. Okay, so what's the depth? And actually, if you are drawing plate, your profile should be closed. So be careful. Okay, profile is, I think profile is not closed. Okay, profile is not closed. Unless your profile is closed. Okay, so I will go check this point. Okay, see, now it's created. Okay, so that is why creating a profile, it should be closed. then only you can create profile. So now I want to fix bolt. Okay, actually for fixing bolt I need to fix some points. Okay, so you can create your points. So go for edit. Here you can see actually in view point. Okay, so just I will go for at any position, select this position and this two positions. Okay, now just I am going to go for online, select this and select this. Okay, now just I'm going to fix my bolt. Okay, bolt, just select part to be bolted, so this one to which this of wait, I will once again do, just select the part to be bolted and to which one, and click middle button. It will ask for first position, so select this position and just draw it. So you can see your bolt. Okay, actually for this working in this you should have good mouse. Okay, then only middle button everything should be good. So you can do like this. And if you want to create weld between parts, so select the part to be welded and which part you want to weld. Okay, so complete. So you can see here weld symbol will be there. Okay, so by this you can do. So if you select this weld symbol, you can change the properties. What type of weld do you want, how do you want, everything you can change. Same like if you want to change the bolt also, if you double click the bolt, you will see the properties of bolt. Okay, actually it's point only selected, just I want to select my bolt. So after completing, I don't want my points means you can change this also. Okay, go for redraw all means your point will be disabled. Okay, so now select the bolt. Now you can change your bolt properties. Okay, likewise concrete, you can create concrete columns. Okay, so once again in concrete beam, same ditto. Okay, how you made in this same steel structure, it will be look same wise. So same panel. Okay, that is for wall. Okay, slab. So from where actually it's not closed, it should be closed. Okay, already we have drawn this. See, same like this only. Okay, so you can draw. Actually I am not getting my this point, so I will disable this point. Actually it's not snap. Okay, so if you complete, then you will see this. Okay, like that only you can do. So if you want rebar, you can draw rebar also. Okay, there are so many types. So already here we have drawn. Okay, same like you can draw. See, right? Then I want to create my reports. Okay, you can do numbering. Then after the performing numbering, you can create reports. Okay, so go for document manager. Already report is there. Just double click. Okay, my report is ready. Already I created the report for demo purpose. Actually, just I selected so many views. That's why it's outside the scale, this drawing area. Okay, you can if you select individually, then it will come under same this thing. Okay, no need to do dimensioning and all. Okay, so it will automatically do the dimensioning. See. Okay, then another important thing is that just I close this. I don't want this. Okay, so if you want another this thing, okay, reports. Okay, what material at what position we have created, everything you can see. Okay, this is this like this one, what is the size, what's the grade, what's the length, what's the weight, everything you can create the report. And another important thing is organizer. So here you can see if you click synchronize, what are the materials you have used, everything will be here. Okay, materials, assemblies. Okay, so this much materials you have selected, this much assemblies are there, everything you can select it from this. Okay, you save this and close this, then only you can close. Okay, but in this we are not going to see the analysis, trimple, connect and bridge. Okay, that thing will be out of our scope. Okay, only we are going to see the draftings. So steel, concrete, edit, view, drawing, reports, manage, up to some extent manage. Okay, that's all in this demo. Okay, actually in description we have given what are the courses we are conducting. Okay, if you want to join that courses, please contact the mobile number given in that description. We have given 2 numbers. You can either call or WhatsApp to the both numbers. Okay, thank you.